Su-35 Multirole Super Maneuverable Fighter carries up-to-date weapons and systems which allow detecting and destroying aerial, ground, and sea targets. KPR-NO-35 Integrated Fire Control and Navigation System and MAK-35 Multifunctional Hardware System designed by RPKB are included into Su-35 avionics. The system includes computing system, navigation system, data control, and weapon control systems. The core of the airborne digital computing system is two airborne mission computers, Bagot 53. Due to innovative architecture, the key feature of these systems is high performance. Digital fiber channels are used to transmit video information from airborne sensors and guided weapons. Target designation generated in electro-optic fire control system after primary processing is delivered to missile homing heads. Data control system is designed to provide excellent quality of data layout. Data display is in automatic mode for pilot's relief, but it can be switched to manual mode. Widescreen multifunctional color displays are used for data display. Full screen, half, or quarter screen modes are available. Multiple window mode is also available. Windows can be arranged freely. Strap-down laser navigation system is equipped with a built-in satellite navigation receiver. It allows to reduce pre-flight preparation and provide exact accuracy of navigation. KPR-NO-35 system provides continuous reception of satellite navigation data, both in natural interference and jamming. Navigation system can also operate in other aircraft positioning mode, providing tight Su-35 formation flight. The system provides low-altitude mode and uses terrain data which are stored in digital map generator memory. Weapon control system allows to carry any new